the beat. One drop low, one drop sweet. Step by step, we walk this road. Heavy is the load, but we carry on. From the mountain top to the valley low, Jah guide my steps wherever I go. Troubles come like rain, but still me stand. One drop of faith in a Jah hand. No matter how dark the night may be, light shine bright, set the people free. Give me little one drop, make my heart beat strong. In the rhythm we find where we belong. Jah blessings flow like rivers so long. One drop of love keep me moving on. Give me little one drop, ease my weary mind. In the music peace we find. Step by step, Jah walk by my side. One drop blessing in the tide. City lights and the jungle roar, but me hear Jah call from the core. Keep my spirit clean, keep my soul pure. In this world that's so unsure. No fake friend, no wicked lies. Me say truth clear through Jah eyes. One drop love, one drop peace. That's the message, that's the release. Hear the drums, hear the sound. One drop rhythm all around. From the heart to the ground, blessings in every pound. Give me little one drop, make my heart beat strong. In the rhythm we find where we belong. Jah blessings flow like rivers so long. One drop love keep me moving on. Give me little one drop, ease my weary mind. In the music peace we find. Step by step, Jah walk by my side. One drop blessing in the tide. One drop, one love, Jah guide me way. Jah guide me way. Reggae funk, bring the juice. Me wake up, sweet sunshine on my face. Put on my boots, me ready for the race. Me no worry about no stress at all. Me carry rhythm deep in my soul. Gal and bread, them a swing and sway. From me out the street, we dance all day. Music sweet like sugar cane roll. It hit me hard and take control. Grooving out the soul, yeah. Let the rhythm take control. Hey. From Kingston to the world, we funky, we free, we bold. Grooving out the soul, yeah. For young and for the old, hey. Wine your waist and rock your roll. We jamming with love untold. Me say turn it up, no turn it down. But I feel bass, shake the town. Me say love is life and life is gold. And music make the young stay bold. All the people get in line. Skanking time, 1, 2 real fine. Me not need no diamond ring. Just a beat and me start to sing. Clap your hands, now stomp your feet. Feel that heat when soul and reggae meet. No worry, not the air tonight. We dancing till the morning light. Grooving out the soul, yeah. Let the rhythm take control. Hey. From Kingston to the world, we funky, we free, we bold. Grooving out the soul, yeah. For young and for the old, hey. Wine your waist and rock your roll. We jamming with love untold. A little bit of soul, a little reggae beat. Funky Kingston in every street. Me feel good, We feel home, we living with groove. New our soul. In a world full of shadow, I still walk in light. Jah be my guide, both day and night. I see the signs in the morning news. Truth get twisted, people confused. But I won't bow to vanity. I keep my steps in clarity. No man perfect, but I still try to walk upright under Jah's sky. Temptation knocking, I tell it no, cause I know what seeds I sow. Walk in light, don't drift in shade. Even when the path look dark and gray, stand for truth, don't be afraid. Jah justice never delay. Fire burn lies and corruption high. Still I hold peace and keep eye in eye. In this war of spirit and soul, discipline make the whole man whole. Them build up thrones with dirty hands, but Jah tear down wicked plans. I chant my psalms in quiet hour. That's my armor, that's my power. Not by sword, not by might, but with love I win the fight. My heart clean, my conscience free. That's how I gain victory. Walk in light, don't drift in shade. Even when the path feels dark and gray, stand for truth, don't be afraid. Jah justice never delay. Fire burn lies and corruption high. Still I hold peace and keep at night. In this war of spirit and soul, discipline the whole man hold. To the faith, belt of truth, feet still firm for me. Helmet of salvation, no retreat. March steady with righteous. In the light, hold firm in the darkest night. No fear, no shame, just grace. Jah justice, love, and holy place. Don't you give up, no, no. Hold your head high, let your spirit fly. They try to break you, they try to bend, but every struggle is not the end. Through the fire, through the storm, that's how a lion heart is born. When the world say no, you just say go, 'cause you've got a light they'll never know. Keep on moving, don't lose your way. Even the night must bow the day. Keep on fighting, don't you fall. Stand up strong when they want you small. Keep on smiling, even in pain. 'Cause after the drought comes the rain. Jah by your side, you'll be alright. So keep on moving to the light. Some walk with money, some walk with pride, but none can match the range inside. The meek shall rise, the truth will shine, like roots that break through deepest time. So don't you fear what man can do? No chains can hold what Jah made true. Keep on moving, don't lose your way. Even the night must bow today. Keep on fighting, don't you fall. Stand up strong when they want you small. Keep on smiling, even in pain. 'Cause after the drought comes the rain. Jah by side, you're the right. So keep on moving to the light. Rise up, stand firm. One love, one love, one life. Feeling the light, then we'll rise again and again and again. Keep on moving, don't lose your way. Even the darkest road will fade. Keep on singing, Jah give the strength to carry you. Jah guide the way through every passing day. Let the natural vibes take control. Through the evening breeze, feeling so serene as we coast along this road. Something sets me free naturally, while sweet vibrations just unfold. In this moment pure, finding nature's cure as the stars begin to shine. Moving with the beat, feeling so complete, every thought just so sublime. Rising higher, rolling further, feel the freedom in my soul. Getting brighter, vision clearer, as we let the evening roll. Ancient wisdom flows as the cool wind blows through my mind so crystalline. Sacred herbs arise, open up my eyes to the truths I've yet to find. Every mile we ride, with Jah by our side, got that natural meditation. Peaceful state of mind, leaving stress behind. Pure and sweet elevation. Let the Spirit guide us now, as we flow through time and space. Jah provide the wisdom how to find that higher place. Rising higher, rolling further, feel the freedom in my soul. Getting brighter, vision clearer, as we let the evening roll. From my heart to the world, me give thanks. Your love is me foundation. Mama, you work through rain and sun. Never rest until the day was done. Food on the table, though we had none. You taught me to stand, taught me to run. You wipe my tears when me feel low. Teach me truth, help my spirit grow. Now my rise and me always know it's your love that make me glow. Thank you, Mama. You raised a lion, strong in heart and soul like Zion. No riches could ever pay for the strength you give me every day. Thank you, Mama. The voice you hear, every song I sing, you always near. And now this life, I'm proud to say, you built me up in every way. You see you pray when times were hard, but know you cry behind that yard. But you never bend, you never break. You give love even when you ache. You carry your words like sacred fire. Push me forward, take me higher. I know I'm grateful, forever true. Cause every blessing starts with you. You my queen, my first teacher, my protector, my peacekeeper. No matter where I roam my chart, your love guide me like Jaga. Thank you, Mama. You raised a lion, strong in heart and soul like Zion. No riches could ever pay for the strength you give me every day. Thank you, Mama. My voice you hear, every song I sing, you always near. In now this life, I'm proud to say, you build me up in every way. Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama. Forever I love you. I walk tall cause of you. Started out with little dreams in me head. Now my vision clear, no more misled. Used to stress what me never had. Now me give thanks even when time's bad. Whole heap of nights me couldn't sleep, but Jah give strength, my soul stay deep. Me not chase fear, me not beg clicks. Me just live clean, build real bricks. Rise like morning light through struggle and darkest night. Can't break what Jah design. Can't break what Jah design. We step with heart and mind aligned. And you feel like this. Good vibes every time you link. Peace of mind is the realest win. So me nah be stressed about a thing. Them try boxing but my breath free. Me no wear mask, me just be me. The journey rough but my soul calm. Even when pressure dey upon my palm, I hold firm like roots in the soil. Me no move fast, me nah go spoil. It's a blessing when you live with truth. The future bright, me youth got proof. So me say, forward still, never look back. Progress built on a humble track. Me take my time, no need for rest. Jah light guide me every prayer, rise like morning light. Through struggle and darkest night, can't break what Jah design. Me step with heart and mind aligned, and it feel like this. Good vibes every time you link. Peace of mind is the realest win. So me nah go stress about a thing. I feel good. I feel like this, just like this. You don't know, yeah, yeah. We rise, we blaze, no fear, not the way. Skrr! Wake in the morning, fire in the soul. Pressure them a push, but me still in control. Them want me drop, but me rise again. Like sunny in the sky, me light up them. Me carry hope for the youth on street. Me lyrics drop strong like rhythm beat. No time for sit, me have to move wise. We climb from the dust, now we aim the skies. Me not follow hype, me follow truth. Every line for the ghetto youth. My voice a weapon, my mind a tool. Me break the chains, me bend no rule. Rise and blaze, me not back down. Queen in a crown, me run the town. Talk real loud, stand firm, stay proud. One little voice still shake the crowd. Rise and blaze, let them see. Me carry light like prophecy. From Kingston Street to overseas. Me rise and blaze my destiny. Them never see greatness till it walk tall. Me come for break chains, not just fall. From notebook dreams to world stage bright. Me turn struggle into pure sunlight. Me represent every heart that fight. Every youth to grow without light. Me style clean, me message raw. One drop rhythm, me spit the law. Me nah follow hype, me follow truth. Every line for the ghetto youth. My voice a weapon, my mind a tool. Me break the chains, me bend no rule. Rise and blaze, me nah back down. Queen in a crown, me run the town. Talk real love, stand firm, stay proud. One little voice still shake the crowd. Rise and blaze, let them see. Me carry light like prophecy. From Kingston Street to overseas. Me rise and blaze, my destiny. Rise. It's like up away, put down the walls, brought you in. Step on, hop I'm safe, but parts of leaves I'm fade away. Destiny, lies, blaze, light up the way. Youth of tomorrow, start today. Stand tall, not go astray. We're bound for lead, not fade away. People telling me what I can't be, putting limits on my destiny. But I found my truth, I found my way, and now I've got something to say. Pushed and pulled in every direction, praying daily for some protection. Mama taught me how to keep my head high. These walls make me wanna cry. Been down so long in this valley low, wondering if I should stay or go. There's a fire burning deep inside, getting stronger with every stride. Found my faith, found my power, standing tall in my finest hour. Can't hold me down no more, hold me down. Can't hold me down no more, hold me. Breaking free from these chains, can't hold me down no more. Monday morning, head held low. Tuesday evening, spirit grow. Wednesday praying on my knees. Thursday learning how to breathe. Friday facing all my fears. Saturday my vision clean. Say it loud, I'm breaking free. Say it proud, can't stop me. Watch me rise, and I've touched the sky. Can't hold me down no more, hold me down. Can't hold me down no more, hold me down. Breaking free from these chains, can't hold me down no more. Can't hold me down no more. You can't hold me, can't hold me down no more. Never again. Can't hold me down no more. I'm rising up. Can't hold me down no more. Watch me fly. Can't hold me down no more. Free and let. Can't hold me down no more. Breaking free from these chains. Can't hold me down, down no more. No more.
Yo, the vibes of the girl them out. Raving time, you know when me talk about back box.
Full charge! Touch the road, me clean and mad. Fresh crepe chain swing, nothing bad. Gyal a pray me from me step inside. Whole place know say me full of the vibe. Bassline knock like speaker bus. Selectors know say me run the fuss. Me no come fi chill, me come fi shell. Dance floor hot like straight from hell. We full charge, party not stall. Turn up the volume, broke down the wall. Gyal them wild and the man them brave. Raving all night like we just get paid. We full charge, energy tall. Rum in a cup and me can't take small. Lights them flash, vibes too large. Tonight we out, yeah we full charge. Gyal a bubble like soda can. Me say come here, wine for the dan. She say me like how you talk and stand. Me say me like how you move that bomb. Whole crew lit, whole place pack. Vibes overflow like liquor stock. No bad mind, we deal with fun. Party shot till the rising sun. One shot, two shot, toast to the sky. Hands in the air, let the rhythm fly. DJ pull up, drop it back again. Dance floor mad like 20 men. We full charge, party in our style. Turn up the volume, drop down the wall. Y'all them wild and the man them brave. Raving all night like we just get paid. We full charge, energy tall. Rum in a cup and me can't take small. Lights them flash, vibes too large. Tonight we out, yeah we full charge. Yo, low sneaker, me sled like this. Anyone the best, chef flight you miss. Dance like on a hole in a jumps. Anyone up put it when the stars full charge. No sleep when me step like this. Anywhere me the street vibes no miss. Dancehall turn up, crowd in a trance. Anywhere me go me bring the stance, full charge.
Love is growing, seeds are sowing. In this garden we're all knowing. Walking down these streets of stone and steel, something in my spirit made me feel like the walls I built were much too high. Now I'm watching as they fall and fly. Used to shield myself from everyone, till I felt the warmth just like the sun, breaking through the clouds inside my mind. Now there's something better I can find. Plant a seed of change today. Let the rain wash fear away. Feel the rhythm as we sway. Nature showing us the way. In this garden of humanity, love is water, sets our spirits free. Every flower reaching for the light. Shine, shine. All our hearts beat as one tonight. In between the roots and fertile soil, through the days of sunshine, sweat and toil, I'm discovering what life can be when I let this love flow wild and free. Like a flower pushing through concrete, finding strength in ways that life's complete. Every person adds their special grace, till we cultivate this sacred space. Plant a seed of change today, never wash fear away. Hear the rhythm as we sing, wish is showing us the way. Every thought we're reaching for the right. All our hearts feel is God tonight. Listen up, I'm breaking down these boundaries. Found that fear was only limiting me. Every seed we plant with love and care grows into connection that we share. No more building fences, no more walls. Nature's wisdom always gently calls, teaching us through every leaf and stem how to grow together, how to blend. Now I see the beauty clear and true in the garden that we're growing through. Every person adds their special light as we tend this garden day and night. Let the music move us, let us grow. Let the love between us overflow, till we see the truth we've always known. We were never meant to walk alone. In this garden of humanity, grow, grow. Love is water, sets our spirits free. Flow, flow. Every flower reaching for the light. Shine, shine. All our hearts beat as one tonight. Love is growing, peace is flowing. In this garden we are home.
Oh yeah, them building towers what the people cry. man sleep so well. When the youth them hungry, living in hell. Big mansion, private jet for fly, while mama can't afford to buy rice. Government smiling, suit and tie, but the man's red can't deny. Talk of growth and new campaign, while the streets full of blood and pain. Blood in the road, lies in the law, truth buried deep, justice outlawed. System rigged and the poor get sold, but we not stop till the whole world know. Fire feed the greed and the fake control. Power to the youth, to the heart and soul. We chant truth like a rebel road. Blood in the gold and the whole world cold. Them say hard work brings success, but it's who you know, not who do best. Me neighbor work from dusk till dawn, still shine by land all on. Politician riding on my car, but not fix road or heal no scar. Every dollar vote get trade for lies. Them smile bright while the people cry. Blood in the gold, lies in the law, truth buried deep, justice outlawed. System rigged and the poor get sold, but we not stop till the whole world know. Fire feed the greed and the fake control. Power to the youth, to the heart and soul. We chant truth like a rebel roll. Blood in the gold and the whole world gold. We not need no bullet, no blade, only words and truth to invade. Lift your voice like thunder loud. Let the silence break from the crowd. Blood in the gold, lies in the law, truth buried deep, justice outlawed. System rigged and the poor get sold, but we not stop till the whole world know. Burn it down, let the truth unfold. Rebel fire can't be controlled. Righteous rise, let the message roll. Blood in the gold, Babylon cold.